Hello, my wonderful friends and families. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is your brother, NDS Opinion TV. Number of times I've heard of all these online native doctors. Let me explain this first. When I say native doctors, I do not mean those ones that use herbs to cure, to treat people of a neure and other things. They are not the ones I'm referring to here. But you saw all these online native witch doctors, and you see them going about saying that Christianity has spoiled their tradition. Christianity has spoiled their land. Christianity have done this. Christianity have done that. Let me point it out to you clearly. Christianity is never your problem. Whatever that is left today in the culture and tradition of Igbo land, all these online native doctors has finished it up. Yes, 99% of them that are claiming that they are native doctors, they are claiming that they are witch doctors, they are claiming that they are this, they are that they are claiming that they are eyes of the gods. Their father, nor their forefather, was never one. But because of the online money, all of them jump into being a native doctor. Some of them, maybe they had the call, or they had the, yes, let me call it the call, to be a herbalist that will cure people using herbs. But because say they have seen Akwa Kotiwiraki and his mansions and flashy cars and hotels, our Dibia, because they have seen Jesse Haba with his mansions and the Okite and the whatever, the flashy cars, Miriam Willow, all of them jump into the conclusion that they are native doctors, they are witch doctors. In actual sense of it, what led them into all these things was never the core, was never the mandate of being a native doctor, as they call it, because of greed. Just because say people now patronize them most, like Nemo Gokite, Meremka, Ibubo, this and that. The number one people destroying the whatever left in the tradition and culture of Igbo land today is all this online native doctor that we are seeing today. Name them. I do not exclude any of them, because the ones that are main native doctors representing and protecting the culture and tradition of Igbo land, you do not see them online. You do not see them online. Ihuna nke anile Okongo Dibia, Ogaji Ike, Abina, Ogajik, and the rest of them, Naga about video to come they showcase what they has on social media. Now scammers where they be. Now scammers where they be. They are the main problem destroying the Igbo culture and tradition today. Yes. Because if not, they won't be coming each time you see them telling all this, telling you this, telling you that. With that, I mean, this is not the way of tradition. What they are doing is never the way of tradition. They are just hunters, looking for clients, looking for followers. They are more or less content creators. They are content makers today. That is why you see this one will come and tell you, like the ones that Jesse Habas do. He will do one thing and say this one is Igbo, this one is this one is that. Online, what does that tell you? This one will come and tell you that this is God, he does this, he does that. What does that try to tell you? That they are just content creators. How content makers? The main people representing the culture and tradition, you do not see them here. So before you talk of Christianity, that Christianity is the problem, trace it with these online native doctors. They are the main problem that Igbo land is facing today. They are the ones devaluing the respect that Igbo land has today. I dey talk my own. I no dey look anybody's face. If you think that I'm lying, look at what is happening here and there online in the name of Ndudibia, especially ones from Anambra State. Because everyone coming now, everyone now pop that shit. Every now and then you'll be seeing them. Haba. Too much of everything is bad. Indeed, but too much of everything is bad. Help me share out this video. Make this video to go viral.